here we are. We're gonna head to the waterfalls today. It is absolutely boiling hot. I'll give you I mean, not a bad view for a morning coffee and cigarette, but it is very hot. Yeah, it's very hot. We're gonna make our way to the waterfall. I can't even jump in because I got a fresh tattoo, but it'll be a good day. And then tonight we're heading off to Koh Rong, and that's a little bit cooler. It's about 29 there. Where here it's just 33, 34. It's just too hot. And then obviously we'll be at the beach, so it's gonna be a lot nicer. But yeah, day 2. Let's get fucking into this. Cambodia grand tour, mate. Alright, an hour and a half. Stopped for a cigarette, got a Coke from the locals. We're halfway there, another halfway. It's been an awesome drive. Literally in the middle of nowhere. We didn't realise that there's a lot of cliff spots and temples here, like we do, just going along. But we are at the first stop. The roads were very bumpy, so I couldn't pull the phone out. But it wasn't too bad. It wasn't too bad at all. So this is the first spot, little cliff spot. Let's see how this is. Cambodian flag, mate. That is awesome, man. Sheesh. Bro, that is proper just fall straight off. What do you reckon? Take a couple more steps? Wow. Freedom! Freedom! Oh. Wow.
I have no idea where we are.
Right, we've been I need to pull up. We've been riding for a while now. We have no idea where the fuck we are. Let's have a look. What's the map telling us? Where are we? Here. Alright, so we're at the... I reckon we just keep it moving. Bro, it's so crazy seeing how they live just on the side of the hills, and they're literally just sitting on the floor with their kids. It's wild, man. Honestly wild. But that's literally how they live here, which is crazy. It's good to see though. Good to see. Riding through the hills is honestly amazing. Sometimes they got concrete roads, but most of it's just dirt. But like, this is an experience and a half. Alright, let's get to this waterfall, huh? Hey? Hey? And we've made it to the waterfall. We've got little markets and that here.
You squirted me with that.
Did I? What the fuck was that? What? What are you doing? Park Trail. Yeah. I think we made it. I think we made it. swimming, having the time of their life. I got a tattoo, so I can't go in, but that's disappointing. Yeah, I'm gonna release my inner child. Hopefully not stack it. Oh, this is a good view. Okay, I gotta not stack it, but this is unknown territory for the views. Hey, look at that. What a fucking life, boys. Cambodia. I was not expecting this. Alright, this is a sketchy one. A sketch. Alright, there's a little ladder. Please don't fall. Please don't fall. Please don't fall. Please don't fall. Ah, yes! You're gonna move for us, mate. Thank you. Alright, that's the Kulen waterfall done. That was amazing. So we drove an hour and 40 minutes to get there. And then she said, wait. And now we're gonna go get some food. She's taking us because we need to eat. It's been a long drive. Whew. Looks great. Okay, so I've got the traditional Cambodian dish, which is beef luk. I can't even fucking say it, but it's just beef, eggs, bit of onion, and rice. Can't complain. Let's dig in. Right, Shane's gone for the chicken, but they literally just chop it up. That's the foot there. That's what. We're in Cambodia, mate. We're in Cambodia. That's our lunch sorted. Look, wasn't the best, but we're in Cambodia, so we cannot complain. We got an hour and a half back to the hostel. So yeah, go back to the hostel. Then our bus tonight is a VIP sleeper bus, which is so cool. I can't wait to show you. And that's a 10-hour bus to the island. So, close to the island. Then we've got to get on a speedboat to get onto the island. Very excited for Koh Rong. It looks amazing. So yeah, we'll go back now. Probably have a shower because we are literally covered in dirt and dust. And then yeah, that's it. We'll get going and then happy days. Go explore another island in Cambodia. They don't do grabs here in Cambodia. You get a tuk-tuk delivery, mate. Pulling up in the tuk. Ooh, we've got a fancy tuk-tuk. Alright, let's do it. Alright, we've got our bags. We're all packed. We're getting a tuk-tuk. 10-hour bus incoming. See you soon. Koh Rong. Hello, bus. Oh, there's gonna be a tight one. We'll fit. Can you go chuck it in? It's a tight tuk-tuk, this one. Chuck it up there, mate. Thank you. Thank you.
To Giant.
Yes. Tuk-tuk, let's go. She's got the fans and all, mate. Ooh. Yeah, she's on. Let's go, boys. See ya, Mad Monkey. Let's go. Take the shoes off.
I did that going to Mahjong, and I started yelling at me.
What?
Yeah.
Hello, brother. Where you going tonight?
Sugarville.
Centerville, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Can you show me the ticket, one? Thank you so
Ah,
much.
legend.
Sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Look at this.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
4H, 5H. 4D, 4B, 5H, 4H. Yeah, we got the top ones. It's a little tight, bud. Yeah, I'm gonna get it. 1 sec, so. Bro, we've got no storage whatsoever. It's a fucking tight squeeze, dude. This is tight, man. There's no moving around. This is home for the next 10 hours. This is so tight. What do we got? Blanket. Pillow. This is so tight, bro. Alright, we got 10 hours to Koh Rong. I'll see you when we're there. This is so funny. I think it was $30 sleeper bus, so I'm not complaining, but there's literally no room. And we can fall off at any minute here, so that's how we go. Happy days.
Actually?
Yeah. Okay, good morning. That's the bus done. That was one of the hardest sleeps I've had. Just kept waking up in the middle of the night. Now we've got a speedboat. I'm so dusty. I'm feeling sick. Let's just get to the island and go get day drunk and just relax on the beach, man. Because this is, whew, traveling's good, but it is non-stop fucking traveling, which catches up, man. Catches up. Oh my god. They're so funny, look at them. Champagne. We made it to the hostel. Okay, this hostel. This hostel is literally in the jungle. We have a 12-bed dorm, so 6 bunk beds. Mate, this is gonna be fun. This is gonna be fun. In the jungle. Let's fucking do it, boys. This is fucking cool though. Yeah. We made it to the paradise land, mate. Fucking valley bar. Okay, beachfront hostel. This is the first. This is amazing. So I'm gonna check in, just relax a bit, probably explore a bit later. So we'll check in then. I need some well-needed sleep. But this is a good place to get it. Look at that, mate. We've made it. Alright, we can't check in until 2. I want to sleep, but they gave us a free beer, so. Cheers to that, Shona. Put that on the fucking camera. Cheers, boy. Nectar. Yeah, we are staying at a beachfront hostel. This is honestly one of the coolest hostels. I'm gonna go up through here. I've got to show everyone real quick. This is generally one of the coolest fucking hostels. Ugh. Look at this. Oh, got the boys playing there. And they've literally got a DJ that's on the decks there. And this is all beachfront. You've got hammocks, everyone's chilling, playing volleyball. And this only costs $12 a night, which is wild. To be fair, there's nowhere you can really go. Like, we're gonna go dinner, we're gonna go for a 12-minute walk. But man, the vibes. That's the thing with traveling. Everyone says it's so expensive. To be fair, yes, in some places, but Southeast Asia is literally $12 a night is expensive, and you get this, which is wild. And beer is also $1. So, mate, you do the maths. You do the maths. We're walking through the jungle, trying to find some dinner. Let's do it, boys. Oh, that scared the shit out of me. There's chickens, dogs, roosters. This is generally island life, island living, boy. This is so fucking nice. Alright, we've just walked 5 minutes. This is the view. Sunset's coming down. This is fucking so awesome. I just love the hammocks. The hammocks are so cool. But like Shane was just telling me then, this chick literally has a tent as he was walking by. So she's generally just living here in a tent. And then at night probably goes to the hostel and gets on it. Mate, you can fucking travel. It just depends how fucking budget you really want to go. Look how cool this fucking restaurant looks. That looks awesome. Oh, look how cool the pier is there. That is awesome. And there's so many stray dogs. So many stray dogs. Dude, this is awesome. Wow, man, look at this. I'm gonna take my shoes off. Oh, so. The island boys, mate. We came to Cambodia with no idea where we're gonna end up or what to do. And now we're here. There's someone ripping it on a jet ski. You can hire one, but it is so fucking expensive. They want to charge 30 USD for half an hour, which is, that is a lot. But then again, looking at them, they're fucking ripping it. We might have to tomorrow. We might have to tomorrow. Yeah. No worries, mate. You come through. Working on the bikes. Just going at it on the wells in the middle of the footpath. I tell you what, they literally just Southeast Asia's no rules whatsoever. Like whatsoever. Bro, look how old that kid is.
To record the game, man.
Alright, well, we're gonna go explore the city today. But we've just got absolutely hammered last night and decided to day drink, so I'm fucking wrecked. Wake up, swim on the beach, have a couple beers, have a joint. It's a good life here. It's fucking wild. It's just a little island in the middle of nowhere. But we've met a few boys and they're like, there's no point going around. But we will. We've got to get the bikes going around. But yeah, another day of just relaxing. I'm just traveling. You just go by the day. So I'm going to have a nap in this hammock and fucking get a good rest. Because, mate, last night, can't even explain it. I genuinely can't. Yeah, this place is literally like being in the 80s. No electricity. Well, they do, but it just cuts in and out. No Wi-Fi. Cold showers. But the no Wi-Fi, so everyone just stays out and just talks to people and all that. Like right now, they're doing a Tech Tuesday, which is techno music all day. They've got 2 DJ stages. Then there's a water fight and a volleyball competition. So it's literally so cool. So cool. Such a social hostel. It's just can't put it into words. It's awesome. This is one of the best places I've ever stayed. It's just like, look at that, man. Alright, I'll check in tomorrow. I'm gonna have a nap. I'm fucking wrecked. Man, holy shit, bro. Okay, so I'm in Thailand at the moment. I recorded that video on the second day of being at that island. We ended up extending our stay for a week because there was a massive festival called Nestival. And there's about 700 people. They have techno going, just music going, D&B, all the way up to 7 a.m, sunrise sets. That island is one of the most crazy places I've ever been in my life. Like, it is a full disconnect from the world. Like, there's no ATM machines, can't get money. Like, it's just one of the most crazy places. They've got, like, everything you need for a party, literally next door. We didn't, like, every day I'd wake up, wouldn't have a shirt, wouldn't have shoes on. We'd literally just walk straight out of bed. They've got the best food there. I opened up a tab. So you're not even paying money. You literally don't even need your phone. You don't need your wallet. You're literally there just to have a good time. And we had such a big group. And after like 3-4 days of being there, like knew everyone, all the workers and that. So it was such a cool, it was so just amazing, man. I can't put that into words, but that was one of the best times of my life. Just disconnected from the world. It's a party every day. The hardest fucking thing about your day is when you're gonna crack open your first beer. Like literally it's so just wild because we've been traveling cities and then we went to an island where there was literally nothing there except for a good time, just a party. Like people start drinking 8 in the morning. Like you just sit by the beach and they've got bars and everyone's just getting on it. But they had events every day, so there was always something to do. And all the other hostels would like meet up with each other because everyone was like a 5-10 minute walk. You just walk through the jungle. We're coming home one night and we're walking and someone's like, yeah, just watch out, there's a snake there. And we're just barefoot, drunk as fuck, walking through the jungle. There's snakes, but to be honest, there wasn't a lot of bugs in that. But yeah, that was a crazy fucking time, man. Koh Rong, literally the best place I've ever been. But I didn't record it, and that's because I was having the best time of my life, and sometimes you need to put the phone down and the camera down. I have no photos or videos from it,
but the people I met, the stories that have came from that place were all honestly just amazing, and I cannot wait to get back. But we're in Thailand now. We're in Thailand. We're in Bangkok. This is the view. So I just had to get an apartment for 2 nights just to reset, because the last week was literally a 1-week bender and just going hard the whole time. So yeah, so we're in Bangkok. I'm gonna go explore the city, back to city life, and then we're gonna go head up to the islands because we want to get back to island life, because it's just so much better being by the beach and just relaxing. And so what it is, dogs, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. We'll get to the next one. Let's fucking do it, boys. Thank you for watching.